Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways to generate free traffic on your website. No matter how cool your business website is or how fantastic your product, you will never generate enough sales to build a viable business if you don't get any traffic to your website. If you want your business to be successful, then you have to get the word out about your site and give people a compelling reason to visit it, or else your business won't survive. The good news is, there are a lot of ways that you can effectively advertise your company's site online and drive qualified traffic to your site, for free. When it comes to the long-term traffic potential of the various marketing strategies, content marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, typically tend to provide you with the most significant return on investment. They tend to naturally lend themselves to compounding returns and virtually have no risk, as long as you can execute them correctly. However, there is one disadvantage to these strategies: they typically take some time to set up and even longer before you will start to see a positive return on your investment. Building momentum with your SEO strategy can take months or even years to see positive results for your efforts, and when you are launching a new business, you don't want to have to wait to generate traffic to your site. Fortunately, there are a number of other ways that you can generate traffic fast without spending a fortune. While all of these options have both advantages and disadvantages, they have all been proven to create more traffic quickly, and the best part is they won't cost you a dime. With these 5 ways to generate free traffic, you'll drive more qualified traffic to your site who are more likely to buy the products or service that you're selling. Number 1. Use viral marketing strategies. An excellent way to drive more traffic to your site is to use viral marketing strategies to motivate people to want to learn more about your product. Over the last several years, viral marketing messages have started to spread through the internet like wildfire. If you're not entirely sure what viral marketing is, it's essentially any type of advertising that's self-perpetuating, and that compels people to share it with others so that it quickly spreads through a community. A perfect example of viral marketing on the internet is the story of Hotmail. Hotmail was one of the very first free email services to show up on the internet. Within its first year and a half of operations, it managed to sign up an outstanding 12 million users. The way they accomplished this was quite simple. At the end of every email that was sent through the service, Hotmail included the following message: "Get your free private email at hotmail.com," which encouraged everybody who received an email to head to the site and sign themselves up for the free service. Large companies, like Hotmail, use viral marketing messages to help perpetuate brand awareness. This is often accomplished by creating animation clips or humorous videos that people are compelled to send to their friends for a laugh. Large corporations aren't the only ones who have found success by employing viral marketing strategies. If you like to play with animation or video, you can adopt this strategy to generate more interest in your business. It's important to keep in mind that it can be difficult to accurately track your return on investment with viral marketing because it is almost impossible to keep track of where the ad goes. Also, while viral marketing is great for generating a buzz around your company and products, it won't always translate into immediate sales. Number 2. Employ online business networking communities. Over the last several years, more and more business network communities are popping up on the internet. These online networks are similar to social media sites or dating sites but are used exclusively by entrepreneurs to find other like-minded business people that they can build mutually beneficial business relationships with. These kinds of sites can provide you with an excellent opportunity to establish joint marketing ventures with other like-minded business owners. Business networking communities can help you generate more traffic to your site by allowing their members to create personal profiles with links to their main company websites. Establishing links on business network sites can help to improve your site's ranking on the major search engines like Google and Bing. Another way you can use business networking communities to help drive more traffic to your site is to work with businesses that are relevant to yours and try to get mentioned on the sites that your target audience is likely to visit. Look for companies that are related to your but that aren't direct competitors. A great way to get your website mentioned by other businesses on their site is to offer to swap links with them. Make sure that you find sites that get a lot of traffic. Let them know that you'll put a link to their website on yours if they do the same for you. Not only will this generate a ton of traffic, but by having more links on other sites, you'll also increase your ranking on Google and other search engines. If you decide to join one of the business networking communities, you want to be sure to partner with businesses that are complementary and relevant to your own business. The companies you choose to partner with should have audiences that fit within your target audience demographics, and who would be likely to visit your site and become your customer as well. Number 3. Give away free content. You can quickly get the message out about your website by giving other businesses free content. This is one of the best ways to make sure that your company's site gets mentioned on other sites. Many owners of internet businesses are more than happy to obtain quality information to put on their website or their own opt-in newsletters. Offering these other businesses some regularly updated content that has already been posted on your site can significantly benefit your business. When you provide free articles, advice columns, or product reviews to other companies, you'll not only be doing a favor for them, but you'll also significantly increase the exposure of your own website. The goal is to try and get your content published on popular sites or in newsletters that have extensive mailing lists. This means that you'll have to do a bit of research before you offer your content to find out how much traffic it gets or how many subscribers they have for their opt-in newsletter. You'll also need to determine which business sites are hot spots in your particular industry, as these are places that you'll want your articles to be posted. It is important to remember that for this particular tactic to work, you need to make sure that you include your contact information and a link to your website at the end of every article that's posted on another site. This makes it easy for those who read your article to visit your site to learn more about what you're selling. So, it is essential to ensure that every site that publishes your content also includes a link and your contact information. Number 4. Participate in forums and news groups. You can generate more traffic to your site by becoming a recognized name in your niche market. Becoming a thought leader can be easily accomplished by participating in discussion forums, news groups, YouTube, and even blogging networks. Participating in these channels is a great way to establish your online identity and start to build relationships with your potential target audience. Discussion forums, YouTube, news groups, and blogging networks are all great tools that can help you communicate with your target market directly and discover what it is they need and want. For example, if you sell ski goggle, spend some time on ski-related forums, which is where your target audience will most likely be hanging out. Or you can start your own blog where you describe your latest skiing adventure, making sure to include attention-grabbing images. You could even combine two tactics and generate even more interest by mentioning your blog in the forums and news groups that you're participating in. However, you need to keep in mind that these types of groups don't allow people to advertise their businesses blatantly. If you are caught spamming the group with blatant advertising of your business, not only will you get kicked off the site, but you'll earn the reputation of a spammer and turn your target audience against you. If you want to use this tactic to generate traffic to your site, then you'll have to make sure that you're offering friendly, useful advice to people who are looking for help with a problem. When you do this, you can include a link to your website at the end of your comment. If people like what you have to say, they may end up deciding to visit your site to check out what else you have to offer. Number 5. Utilize affiliates to drive traffic to your site. Without a doubt, one of the best ways to increase exposure to your site and generate more traffic is by starting an affiliate program. Affiliate marketing is where you pay people a commission to promote your products on their sites and blogs. By paying affiliates a commission, you can get them to drive qualified traffic to your website using a variety of techniques, some of which have already been discussed in this article. The best part of hiring an army of affiliates is that they do most of your marketing for you. Most businesses that rely on affiliates to market their products or services don't have to spend a ton of time optimizing their site to rank high on the search engines. Instead, they let the affiliate marketers do it for them. Most affiliates are already going to great lengths to make sure that their own sites are highly optimized so they can rank high on Google and other search engines, and because they will be directly linking to your site, it helps to boost your search engine ranking as well. The best thing about setting up an affiliate marketing program for your business is that you don't have to pay them anything for the work they do unless they are able to make a sale for you. That makes this particular tactic a win-win proposition for everyone because the more sales your affiliate helps you close, the more money they'll make in return, making them work harder to make sure to promote your business. Conclusion: when it comes to driving more qualified traffic to your website, there are many tactics that you can use, both paid and free. While SEO and content marketing are the top ways to drive more qualified traffic to your site, they can take a long time to develop a positive return on your investment. If you want to maximize your site's exposure without spending your hard-earned money, you can use these 5 free tactics to get the results you want. To see even better returns on your investment, combine several of the above tactics to get even more exposure and traffic to your site. Remember, when it comes to your online marketing strategy, there are 3 words that you need to keep at the forefront of your mind, and those are location, location, location. In order to generate more traffic, your site has to be mentioned often in places where your target audience hangs out. This is the only way that as many potential customers will see your website as possible. When it comes to content marketing and driving traffic to your site, you can always be doing more. Start putting these 5 free traffic generation strategies to work for you and sit back, relax, and start enjoying all of the free, qualified traffic visiting your company's website. Please don't forget to subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you.